What if I told you that your next vacuum could recycle water, never need manual refilling, and give you a spotless home all without you having to lift a finger? This is the 3i S10 Ultra, and it's a new step forward in smart home technology. It's efficient and genuinely different. It's a robot vacuum that's packed with features that don't just make cleaning easier, it almost eliminates the chore entirely. It's built to handle your floors without constant input, making it easier for you to keep your home clean. Once you set it up, it takes over, making sure your floors are spotless while you get your time back. The S10 Ultra is all about precision and smart cleaning. It knows what needs to be cleaned, adapts to different environments, and ensures that every corner of your home is covered. This is smart home cleaning done the right way. And these are the features that make it all possible. And by the way, if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below. Let's start with the impressive water recycle system. The water recycle system is a built-in feature that extracts moisture from the air and recycles dirty water, turning it into clean water for your next cleaning cycle. So again, no more refilling your water tank and no more interruptions. The vacuum just keeps going, making your life easier. Less upkeep for you means more time to enjoy your home. So how does it work? It uses sub-boiling distillation to purify the old water. It separates impurities, leaving solid waste in the dust bag and ensuring a fresh supply of clean water every time. It's a smart, efficient process that runs entirely on its own without the need for your intervention. And this level of convenience changes the game for hands-off cleaning. We all know the hassle of stopping to refill water tanks or empty the dirty ones when it comes to the robot vacuum, but with the S10 Ultra, it's all fully automated. So imagine just never having to deal with that maintenance anymore. It's like having a cleaning assistant that knows exactly what to do without needing instructions. The water recycle system takes the hassle out of maintenance, keeping the vacuum running smoothly without manual intervention. And to me, the fact that it just draws the water from the air like a dehumidifier is just super cool. Next, let's talk about the UltraReach roller mop. This roller is built for precision and power. It features a 12 nozzle spray system, and the roller spins at an impressive 330 revolutions per minute. It even takes tough stains and spills and makes them vanish, leaving your floors looking clean. But what really makes it shine is its edge cleaning capability. The roller mop can extend along walls, making sure no spot is left untouched. So think about your corners or your baseboards, those tight spaces that are always hard to reach for other robot vacuums. The UltraReach roller mop takes care of them. So it'll scrub every inch of your floor with the same intensity, ensuring nothing gets left behind. This goes back to that precision that I was talking about earlier, where this robot can do things that many others just can't do. Next, the S10 Ultra also has 3i's DirtScan technology, which combines green light illumination with AI to detect up to 68 different types of debris. We're talking about liquids, stains, pet hair, dust, you name it, and the S10 Ultra can handle it. It sees what's dirty and knows exactly how to treat it. So what does this mean for you? It means the S10 Ultra doesn't just clean, it will clean smartly. It knows when to boost suction for pet hair or when to reduce speed for liquid spills. It adapts to different messes intuitively, adjusting itself on the fly to ensure you're getting the best possible clean every time. You don't need to program modes or supervise it. The S10 Ultra just handles it all, making sure your floors stay spotless without extra effort. Next, let's take a look at some of the other features that make the S10 Ultra special. First, it has 13,000 pascals of suction power, which is insane. It's enough to make sure even deep-seated dirt and dust are picked up, leaving your floors genuinely clean. It's also equipped with a dual anti-tangle design. The main brush uses a blocking comb to prevent hair from tangling during cleaning. After it returns to the base station, the brush reverses direction and the detangling comb activates, ensuring that any remaining hair is pulled into the dust bin. The side brushes are meticulously refined to avoid tangles, thanks to extensive testing for optimal length and hardness. So for anyone with pets, this just means less time dealing with hair. Then there's the all-in-one base station. This isn't just a charging dock. It's the operational hub for the S10 Ultra. It handles self-emptying, self-cleaning, and it dries the mop so your vacuum is always ready for the next job. The self-drying feature ensures the roller mop is ready for each new cycle, while the station also uses an herbal cleaning solution to keep everything sanitized. So to put all of this together, picture this. You've just had a big family gathering and the floor is covered in crumbs, pet hair, maybe even a few liquid spills. Normally, this would mean dragging out a mop, a vacuum, and maybe even spending time scrubbing. But with the S10 Ultra, you don't have to worry. It detects each type of mess and automatically adjusts itself to tackle the job. It sees crumbs, knows they need suction, sees a spill, slows down, and mops it up. It's all effortless on your part. Now think about the time you save, whether it's spending more time with your family or just relaxing after a busy day. The S10 Ultra takes over all those tedious floor cleaning chores, letting you focus on other things. Oh, and it gets better. The vacuum integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, which means you can start cleaning even when you're not home. Just say the word and the S10 Ultra goes to work. And you can also do this using the 3i app. So you can be at work, getting ready to head home, and just tell the vacuum to start cleaning. And by the time you get there, the floors are spotless. Compared to other robot vacuums, the S10 Ultra stands out in every way that matters. The water recycling feature alone sets it apart, but combined with the auto-extending, self-cleaning mop and the AI-powered DirtScan, it's a level above the competition. No other vacuum offers this combination of autonomy and cleaning power. Many robot vacuums promise convenience, but the S10 Ultra delivers. If you're looking for this feature set, there's really nothing else quite like it on the market. If you want to experience the future of smart cleaning, hit the link in the description below and be sure to use the code for an exclusive discount. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards and I will catch you in the next video.